Salut tout le monde! Welcome back to your favorite spot for easy and amazing French lessons. The perfect place to get ready for your TEF Canada exam. If you've ever wanted to sound smooth and confident when talking about your schedule, workdays, or weekend plans in French, this lesson is for you. Because today we are learning something super simple but super useful, which is les jours de la semaine en français. That means the days of the week in French. Say that again. Les jours de la semaine en français. Good. So by the end of this video, you will not only remember all 7 days easily, but you'll know also how to pronounce them perfectly and use them in sentences like a natural French speaker. So grab your notebook, repeat after me, and let's make French learning fun and effortless. Let's go. First one, Monday is lundi, lundi. Tuesday is mardi, mardi. Wednesday is mercredi, mercredi. Thursday is jeudi, jeudi. Friday is vendredi, vendredi. Saturday is samedi, samedi. And the last one, Sunday. And the last one, Sunday, is dimanche, dimanche. Repeat it after me. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. One more time without looking at the notes. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. I'll give you 30 seconds here to memorize it all, and then we'll repeat it together. Well done. Now you're gonna say and practice it without looking at the notes. Say it. First one. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Now let's go ahead and do some more vocabulary related to the days. So here, yesterday in French is hier, hier. Because as we all know that H is silent in French, so it would be hier. Today is aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui. It's easier to pronounce when you break it down. So it's O, A, U is O, jour, dui, aujourd'hui. Tomorrow in French is demain, demain. And day before yesterday would be avant-hier. So hier here is already yesterday. Avant means before. So avant-hier. Avant-hier. And day is jour. Day after tomorrow. So tomorrow is demain. After means après. So it would be après-demain. That means day after tomorrow. Let's say it again. What is yesterday in French? Hier. Today? Aujourd'hui. Tomorrow. Demain. Day before yesterday. Avant-hier. Day. Jour. Day after tomorrow. Après-demain. Après-demain. Well done. Let's move forward. So if you have to ask somebody, what day is today? In French, you will say, c'est quel jour aujourd'hui? C'est quel jour aujourd'hui? C'est quel jour aujourd'hui? Let's break it down. It is or this is means c'est. Which or what means quel. Day, as we discussed, is jour. Today is aujourd'hui. So when you bring it all together, it becomes c'est quel jour aujourd'hui. Repeat it after me. C'est quel jour aujourd'hui. Perfect. Bravo. So in response, you will say, c'est whatever the day is today. For example, if it is Saturday, you will say, c'est samedi. Samedi. If it is Monday, c'est lundi. If it is Tuesday, c'est mardi. Easy? And the last thing here would be if you want to say, my favorite day is, my favorite day is, you will say, mon jour préféré est, mon jour préféré est, whatever your favorite day is. For example, if it is Sunday, you will say, mon jour préféré est dimanche. Right? Bravo tout le monde. Bravo tout le monde. You've just learned all the days of the week in French. Les jours de la semaine en français. Simple, right? And trust me, every small step like this brings you closer to acing your TEF Canada exam. If you've enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because lots of amazing French lessons are coming right here. We'll cover everything you need for TEF Canada preparation, from vocabulary and grammar to speaking tips and listening practice, all in a fun and easy way. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Très bien. À bientôt.